Well, it's Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. We're up here at my father-in-law's. He's down there gassing up the four-wheeler. We're going out in the woods behind the family farm. It's really windy and not very warm. Miss Holly's here. There's a cabin out in them woods the family built a while back and a tree fell on it. We're gonna go check that out, see if we can fix it, and open up some of the trails they use for the sugar harvest season for maple syrup. We're waiting for the cups to show up. They're about a half hour behind us, I think.
Inside.
Yeah, it kind of got beat up too.
Aww.
Everything got beat up.
Dang.
I had a little trouble going down through here to get the
string. Okay, that's a little worse than I thought it was.
Yeah. Were you out here once, Paul, after this happened?
No, I was a long time ago, like first year, I think I was out here to see this. That was it.
Somebody was out here with me, I guess when we were...
It's a little worse than I thought.
This is going to be a raised fire pit.
Yeah.
I
I found one of my old rims off of that green truck for the front. It's about that wide. You want to lay it on your side. I don't know if it would go around that. Set it on there?
Eventually it would.
Yeah, right. It would burn that down enough or something.
I do have a rim in the barn.
And it's one of them Dayton wheels, so it's straight through. There's no face on it.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
That isn't even running as fast as I thought it would be for as...
No, because it run right off.
Yeah.
You know, once
Let's see what happens if you do.
Okay, I got a roll cage. You got a winch on that there?
chainsaw here.
Real chainsaw stopping point.
I cut little.
You just shut your GoPro off.
Muscle woman.
Muscle woman, is that what you say?
Them lines.
We could land and not hit that line.
Might be able to go around that way, but you might as well just continue that way.
Oh yeah.
We made it. See what you gotta do, Paul? Wait. Oh boy. Good thing you ain't got any closure.
Oh, there's a chainsaw back there.
That's what I was gonna do. Oh, my thunder. Go back there, don't worry.
Is it tipped up right?
Mine was a little
Boys.
I just about went over the handlebar.
Yeah, you might want to clip that in place, Paul. A little too late.
It didn't go anywhere. It didn't go nowhere. You tail whipped it. Your front end landed, then your back hit.
Hungry beavers.
What I found is they make these little streams that are probably not too bad.
That might be us. That's why.
That's why.
Some four-wheeler in the middle of the road.
why I'm running. I saw the reversing. He's got loaded.
Family sugar shack where they make their syrup.
Jacked up right now, but we gotta come out here and pressure wash them. Or not. Pretty much do it every year.
Yeah, buddy.
What is this for?
I'll be damned.
Chop your ears off?
Why he wired electric?
Donnie's been electrifying our
It's
sugar house.
He was using solar panels.
These are solar panels, and they set this thing in the corner, and you can see where we got our lights.
What's the noodle maker for?
That's how you. It's not a noodle maker. It's a dryer.
We used to use filters, and you had to wring them out,
Oh.
and we quit doing all that.
Yeah, Grandpa used to show me that. He's like, oh, look at
I
this.
got an old wood wringer, and I bought a new one about 10 years ago, and then we quit using filters. Anybody needs a ring? No.
I used to watch my grandma do that.
That's pretty slick.
This is a 360 one, so I saw everything in that room.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. We got a couple videos in the works. Driving through the woods and I found another cabin. This one's not on the family property. We don't think it's right on the edge. Oh, it's got an outhouse. This one's pretty nice.
This is the neighbors, right?
Game camera.
Game camera.
Dad, there's a game camera.
Go wave.
Yeah, go ahead. was in there pretty good.
It was right up against the radiator. It bent the fin, but it didn't break.
He had that thing
Oh my
wedged
God.
all the way up in there.
You can see where it hit it, but it didn't break it. It did? Not yet.
Yeah.
You got a big saw here?
Yeah, it's in the back of the. Yeah, we got it in the
We may
back
have
of,
to get into the big saw for the next.
for the pine tree. Yeah. Is it still in there?
Different one.
Not ever gonna want to come back here.
We're good. It's a pretty tough radiator. I've seen that stick. I thought I turned enough that way, but it went right freaking in there.
Where'd it go in?
It just bent him. You can see right through here, Paul. It just bent him. It didn't punch a hole or nothing. We're good.
Brakes seem to be working.
Okay, just go slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got Cuffy dragging ya.